So we have this where it will be scanning the face and the cranial. Okay. Another mode is the torso, where we're scanning the abdominal region. For that, we have a particular mode for it. For upper limb, we have a different mode. For knee, lower limb, we have a different mode. For the knee, feet, we have a different mode. So in this way, if you want to scan for insole, AFO, KFOs, we have a different mode of doing it. If you want to scan both the feet, you have a different option. Right foot, this option. Okay. So right now will be, and we have different types of scanning mode as well. If you want to scan a socket, we can directly scan a socket using different parameters. If you want to scan a seating, we can use it with a different mode of scanning, seating. And if you want to scan it with the help of a foam box, we can do with that as well. Okay. So now we'll start with the face, or we will take a whole, let's take it as a cranial. Okay. Over here, we have a different mode. Okay. So I'll just create over here what should be the resolution of it, which light source I'm going to work with. Infrared, white light. Let's say infrared. I want the texture. I'll go with the texture. Alignment mode, feature align, texture align, marker align. I don't have the marker. I'll say deselect that and texture align. Okay, and I'll save this. Once I save this, I have to click on the next step. It will ask me the project name. I'll put the project name as facial scan. Done. Now over here, you can see the preview. This is what the preview looks like. This is how we'll be scanning it, and the different, like if you want to increase the brightness or the saturation level, we can directly do it with the help of this. We'll click on auto. We'll scroll it down. We have the working distance. The working distance, if I want to be working with a very near one, I can just reduce the working distance. Okay. And if I want to increase the working distance, I can do that as well. Data quality indicator, we can check the quality of the data while scanning it. So it will give us a preview for scanning it as well. Okay. So now we'll start scanning. Okay. So maybe I'll just take this data quality indicator, and then this is in the preview mode. We'll start going, we'll say, look. Once I'm done, I'll click on pause. Okay. So now if we are good to go with the scan data quality, okay, we can directly just click OK. And if I want to just rescan it from a particular region, it gives you a history of from where you have started and where you have ended the scan data. Okay. If I'm okay, if I don't want to delete something, or if I don't want to rescan it, I directly click on complete, and then I'll click on OK. It will optimize the point cloud data, and then we'll start editing the data. So now if you can see, this is how the scan data, this is still in the point cloud data format. Just take it on its face. This is the texture. You can see the texture quality as well with this particular scan data. Once we are good to go, then maybe we can do the modification. We can remove the unwanted parts. We have the editing tool over here. You can directly, different editing tools are there. I'll just select this. I'll select the bottom part as well. Okay. I'll rotate the model a bit. I can go on the laser select. I can just select this part. I'll delete this part. Okay. So now if I want to rotate, I can just rotate it like this. So you can appreciate the scan data and the texture data as well. So if I want to just delete some more part as well, so I can go on this data, and no, not this one. From here, I'll select this and I'll click on delete. Once this is done, this is like processing the point cloud data. Once this is done, we'll click on complete. It says confirm cropping. We can click on confirm. Okay. So now once this is done, we'll click on the mesh optimization. We'll click on mesh optimization. It will take some amount of time to generate the mesh from it. Pause the video. So now we are aligning the body. So we can align the body with respect to different views. Like this, we can align it. Okay. And if I want to align it using this, I can go over here, align it. If I want to just translate it, I can translate it over here. I can transfer here. So here we are good to go. If required a little bit modification, I can go on the right side of it. And yeah, so once this is done, the alignment is done, you click on complete. Once this is done, we need to, if you want to edit some part, I can just take this particular part, region, I'll select and delete it up. Okay, this is like selecting the mesh data now. Okay, click on complete. Now we can just check the quality of the data. Okay. So if I want to fill holes, texture alignment, I can do it over here. Let's say I want to fill this particular hole. I'll just select, yeah, select it over here and I'll click on apply. Pause it, pause it. Okay. So once this is done, we'll click on apply. So we are again do the texture remapping before exporting the data. Just pause it. Complete, complete, and then we can either put it on the order platform, the Shining 3D Cloud. I can directly click on upload. Wi-Fi connected, huh? No, no. Okay. Or else I can directly send it to the order platform. What is order platform? What is order platform? Oh, align the QR code. No, no. Interview. Okay. And then pause it. We'll scan OBJ, PLY, and STL. I'll export it. Okay, this is done. Now we'll go on the Medixa. Show the screen, huh? My laptop screen. You should scan. Okay. 21st copy, huh? Right click, copy, this is the paste it. Just focus here, focus on the scanner now. Don't notice, okay. Okay, done. Pause. Let's stop it.